Guys, welcome to the fourth episode of Houze, the best channel for property and real estate knowledge. Many people come to us and ask what to buy, a flat or plot. And yes, we know investment in a property is a very smart choice to make. Oh, no. The same struggle might be yours as well. So which one is a better buy, a flat or a plot? When such questions raises, we thought of making this into a very simple step so that you can make a clear decision based on 3 points. First one, moving or where to live in. Second one, modifications, and the third one, return on investments, also called as ROI. Let's start with the first one, moving on or where to live. When the question raises flat or plot, it depends majorly on you and your investment planning. So what does that mean? If you already have a good place to live and have no interest in moving out, then you can prefer a plot. And in another way, if you have a dream to own a house and moving into a home, then you can go for a flat. But remember, a flat at a premium place can be much costlier than a plot at a prime pocket. Second comes modification or customization. Now here in customization, clearly plot wins over flat, as customization for a plot is higher than a flat. How's that? You can make many changes in a flat, but internally, not externally to the flat. But when it comes to a plot, you can make the changes you need to your home. You can build a luxurious villa or an apartment or a simple and a beautiful home which you have always been dreamt about. If you want to construct something your way, then go for a plot, else go for a flat. The last one, final point, is return on investment. This is the most important for many individuals, and here we have a clear winner between a plot versus flat, and it is the plot. Why? Open plot or properties bring in more appreciation over time when compared to a flat. And apartments significantly have less appreciation and also have depreciation value after some years. As you can see, left side is the age of a building in years and right side is total depreciation. Clearly you can see the more the age, more depreciation of that particular flat. And these were like a generic ones, and these values can increase or decrease depending upon the locality and the demand too. So guys, that's it for today's video. I am sure you got some important points to decide between a plot and a flat using our 3-step process. We need your support to grow, and if you like the information which we are sharing to improve the property knowledge, please do like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can never miss our update. And please join our Telegram channel for daily updates on real estate and much more. See you in the next video. Happy investing.